Of all, you need milk and you need 200 ml of vanilla yogurt, and then make sure your milk is boiled really well, really well. And then guys, the reason that I'm stirring the milk ndio isikuwe na ile cream ya juu, ile cream ya maziwa. Usiache ikuwe na hiyo cream, and when you stir ikuwe haina, ufunike so that isiform hiyo kitu ya juu. Usiache iform hiyo kitu ya juu. Don't. So guys, after your milk is cool, weke kwa a bowl the amount of milk that you want to use with your yogurt. For me, I made 2 liters, but nilibakisha kidogo, as you can see. And then, cause I had bought 250 ml of yogurt, nilieka kidogo, sikuweka yote, nilieka just like half or 3/4 of the yogurt. Guys, after nilieka our yogurt, nikastir vizuri gently, and I made sure imemix maziwa, our fresh milk and our yogurt zimemix vizuri.
It's wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past.
And then guys, after nilistir ikakuwa well stirred, nilieka hiyo mixture ya maziwa na yogurt kwa jug, cause iko na kifuniko, and I covered with a polythene paper. If you have a foil na hii paper, they work all the same. You cover, and make sure guys, ukimix your milk and your yogurt, your milk should be warm. So nikaeka and nikafunikia vizuri, and yes, and after that, this is the place that you cover your mixture with that towel and place it for 24 hours. So guys, this is the next day, at 9 p.m. I made our yogurt previous night at 9 p.m. So in the next day at 9 p.m. nikatoa, and let's see, and guys, it was perfect. Perfect. I really loved it. And after I nilimake sure nimemix vizuri, and then cause ilikuwa tu vanilla and it was sugarless, I added sugar and I added strawberry essence to give it that taste of strawberry, and then I served it to my kids, and they really loved it. And let me tell you guys, this was my first time making homemade yogurt, and I really love it, and I don't think I'll ever buy yogurt from the supermarket. I think you all should try this, especially if you have kids and they love yogurt. It will save you a lot of cash, and itakuokolea sana. So for me, I don't think nitakuwa nanunua yogurt again kwa supermarket. I really loved it and it was very sweet. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Always when you watch my channel, make sure you like and you share with your friends.
Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shape my smile. Was wrong